Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your simple guitar ideas into full song using Moises AI Studio. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up Moises AI Studio application on your PC or on your mobile phone, or you can visit Moises AI Studio website. And here I have already installed this application on my desktop. And then we can sign into this application using our Google account. And after that, you will be able to create a project. And then I'm going to click on create your first project here. Okay. I'm going to select this option, and for the project's name, I'm going to name it Studio 1. Click on OK. And then you're going to upload your guitar idea. Make sure that you have recorded your guitar idea, and then you can upload it here. If you want to upload your recording, you can click on select a file, and then I'm going to choose this audio. Okay, this is how the audio sounds like. This is just for an example, guys. And then here you can use the feature. You can use stem generation, stem separation, voice conversion, and AI mixing. And I'm going to choose the stem generation. Okay, you can choose the drums, bass, guitar, or others. And I'm going to choose drums. And I'm going to choose AI match. And then we can click on generate stem. Okay, and it's still loading. And you can add your voice here if you want to record your voice. Okay, and then wait. Okay, you can also use this Moises AI to create lyrics. But yeah, you need to subscribe to this application. And it's still loading, guys. Okay, and now the track is ready, and then I'm going to play it to show you the result, guys. And you can still add the other instrument if you want, or you can select custom here, and you can select reference audio. It's up to you. And wait, I'm going to play it. And if you want to download your audio, you can click on download here, and then the audio will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!